Welcome Holger Knag, Rotary International President 2020-21 and Rotary member of the Rotary Club of Herzogtum Lauenburg-Mölln in Germany. District Governor Mary Shackleton of District 7-30 and I, Suzanne Schwartz, member of the Rotary E-Club of Wall Street, are very excited to welcome you back here today in a very special year, which was full of virtual meetings and opened a lot of opportunities, like the one today for us to follow up on our meeting we had on World Polio Day in October 2020.
Hi, Willkommen, President Holger. Thank you for your leadership and inspiration during this most challenging but opportunity-filled year. You're leading off a session that will focus on your theme, seizing opportunities for action. So our question for you is, as Rotary International President, how do you see the relationship between Rotary International and the Sustainable Development Goals?
Thank you very much, Mary, and thank you very much, Susan. And thank you very much for inviting me. It's a great pleasure for me, again, to be with you here, even if it's just virtual. Yes, it's my pleasure to speak to you about the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals and Rotary International. Rotary members carry out sustainable humanitarian projects that supports the United Nations goals. We do this through our areas of focus, which are promoting peace, fighting disease, providing clean water, supporting education, saving mothers and children, growing local economies, and protecting the environment. Our areas of focus align with many of the United Nations goals. For example, our long-standing efforts to eradicate polio align with the goals for good health and partnerships. And we are partner of the Global Polio Eradication Initiative with WHO, UNICEF, both United Nations agencies, and CDC and the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. Since this partnership was formed in 1988, the number of polio cases worldwide has dropped by 99.9%, and 16 million people are walking today who would otherwise have been paralyzed. The infrastructure created to fight polio is used to battle COVID-19. In addition, Rotary has granted roughly $40 million since March 2020 for community-based COVID-19 response efforts, such as providing hospital equipment, protect medical gear, and support items for frontline medical workers. Rotary's commitment to child and maternal health helps fulfill the health and partnership goals as well. Our members carried out projects to improve training, provide essential medical equipment, and support family planning in Nigeria. And by the way, just 3 weeks ago, we had a meeting with WHO General Director Tedros, Dr. Tedros, and this was really successful, really to put emphasis on the partnership between WHO and Rotary. And then water and sanitation projects also help meet the health and partnership goals, while also adding clean water. The impact of this work is incredible. And I'll just give you one example. Working with our partners, 80% of the people in Ghana now have clean water to fight guinea worm disease. Our commitment development goals align with 4 United Nations goals. Rotary clubs sponsored a microfinance project that provides training in sewing, baking, and business management for poor women in Ecuador, along with small loans that enable them to start or expand their businesses. Our work in basic education and literacy aligns with 5 different United Nations sustainability goals. In Afghanistan, Rotary members opened a girls' school to break the cycle of poverty and social imbalance. Rotary's commitment to peace and conflict resolutions help fulfill the peace and justice goal, as well as partnerships. Rotary actors in the Philippines and Italy developed an anti-bullying campaign to teach children how to handle conflict peacefully from an early age. And just this year, Rotary added a new area of focus on the environment. And this significantly expands our potential to help support a number of the United Nations goals. While this is official area of focus is something new, Rotary has long been committed to protecting the environment. Through existing areas, we have supported sustainable community-based solutions with nearly 20 million in global grants over the last 5 years, ranging from beekeeping in Germany to rainwater harvesting at schools in Jordan. Through our fight to end polio, Rotary has shown what we can do when we draw on the collective strengths of our partners and national governments. Adding our environmental focus creates an opportunity for us to learn new ways to making meaningful and measurable impact. Rotary is pleased to support the United Nations goals through our global projects. The Rotary motto of service above self is needed now more than ever. And we hope a renewed focus on sustainability will help the world recover from the current pandemic and blaze a path towards a brighter future. Rotarians will do everything they can to make this happen. Thank you very much.
Thanks, Holger. That was so inspiring. So what would you say is a good call for action to all our guests today, the Rotarians, the Rotaractors, the Interactors, and everybody who's new basically to Rotary or the United Nations?
Thank you, Suzanne. Yes, that's very simple. Rotarians all over the world, take action now. Take action with Rotary now.